morning. This is Yakshita. I'm currently basically a 8th sem computer science engineering student in Best University. Nowadays, cybersecurity is growing very vast. Like many scams and hacking is happening. So I just wanted to go through this. I wanted to study about this. So when I was searching for the classes, the top 10 cybersecurity classes in Bangalore, like I got this Razz Security, which is like basically it's so good. And while coming to the classes and training and all, basically they will start from a scratch, so you'll understand everything in depth, and the class will be very interactive, and they make sure that everyone in the class understands every topic thoroughly and go. The only thing is, after stepping out of this Razz Security, we have to explore and we have to learn many things what they have taught. Thank you, and I recommend everyone who is searching for courses. I recommend everyone to join here. It will be helpful for all. Thank you.